we have seen how you can attach an external file to a feature in the map. If you just want to place the object in the map and not tie it to any feature, you can use the Edit Insert Object function to do so. For example, let's insert a picture into the CMT map. In the CMT map, first create a new topic named Data Collector, and select Non-Spatial Data as the topic type. With this topic active, select Edit Insert New Object, and mark the link option. Then hit the Browse button, and select the L412 TIF file from your CMT PC software program folder. Hit Insert, then hit OK. A picture of the L4 GPS data collection system is now added to the map. You can resize and move the picture as you wish. You could add an arrow to point to the picture. To do so, select the Non-Spatial Data topic, then click the Tool palette. Select the arrow tool, then drag the mouse from the CMT parking lot to the picture. There. A digital photo in the .bmp, .jpg or .tif format that you insert into a map file is usually not geo-referenced. It bears no spatial relationship to the features in your map. It floats in the map, so to speak. You can drag it and park it anywhere in the map. Such a photo is fine to use as a logo, a call-out or an illustration. However, if you attempt to use it as a background image for your GPS job, it may take you hours to align, scale, and skew it to fit it to your job exactly. The CMT PC software simplifies this process by providing the Register Photo Image function. We will learn how to use this function in a later lesson. For now, let's look at a few types of images that have already been geo-referenced. Digital raster graphics, or DRG files, are scanned USGS maps that have been geo-referenced. To load a geo-referenced map image, click on the Load Registered Photo Image icon. For example, with the CMT map open, let's click on the Load Registered Photo Image icon, then select the DRG file named 04412.3e3.tif. Confirm to use the UTM-NAD27 Zone 10 coordinate system for loading the DRG. The DRG is automatically fit to the map view, and our GPS job is now situated in an actual topographic map. Let's click the Zoom Fit icon, then click on the DRG image. Try to drag it to the side. It wouldn't budge. In fact, each point in the DRG is tied to an actual geographic position. The DRG has to stay in place for this to remain true. Unmark the 04412.3e3.tif topic to turn it off. The USGS digital ortho-quarter quad aerial photo images are also geo-referenced images that you can load into the map view. These quad photo files are usually very large. Now, let's select the View Base Map function and click on the Display Base Map option. This will load the base map of the county in which the currently displayed GPS job is located. The Benton County base map is supplied with your CMT PC software. It will be loaded whenever a job in the Benton County is open and the Display Base Map option is active. You can order base maps for each of the 50 states of the USA from CMT. You can obtain a cleaner background map with the CMT base maps, because you can toggle separate groups of information on or off in the CMT base map. The geo-referenced DRG, DOQQ and CMT base maps are good general geographic references. Their accuracies may vary from 5 meters to 30 meters. If you have a set of differentially corrected GPS points, they have in general, better accuracies than the DRG, DOQQ and CMT base maps. You can tie an aerial photo to those points. Then the aerial photo becomes a geo-referenced image that you can use as a background for your GPS map. You may also register your aerial photo against a DRG map. I will show you how to geo-reference an aerial photo later. Presently, many topographic maps and aerial photos are available in the MRSID file format. These files have the SID file name extension. You may use an SID file as the background image for your GIS map. If you wish to use an existing job map as the background image for another job, you may use the utility's GeoImage Save to Registered Image function to save the map view to an image file. The .t file generated this way is already geo-referenced. Sometimes you may need to combine the data from 2 or more GPS jobs into a single file. You may do so by using the copy and paste commands. Let's try copying the features in the CMT job into the SWCVO map. To do so, first open cmt.fmp, then open swcvo.fmp. Use the window tile vertical command to display both files simultaneously. Click anywhere in the CMT map, then click the zoom fit icon. Drag the mouse to form a stretch box around all the data in CMT, then click on the copy icon. Now click anywhere in the swcvo.fmp window, and then click on the paste icon. All the features are now displayed in swcvo.fmp. Let's close this file without saving it. You can use the same procedure to copy data from one or more maps into a new map. Please save the new map under a new name. Below the first set of tool buttons is another set of tool buttons that pertain to your custom projects. Let's open a new map to experiment with these tools. By default, the project tools are called Forester's tools. They let you easily create tracts and stands area topics, and a number of common features such as roads and streams, for a forestry project. For example, when you click the new tract icon, the program will prompt you for the name, number, and description of the tract that you are about to digitize. Go ahead and digitize a tract name T1 by clicking on a few locations in the map. Right-click to complete this area feature, and the program will automatically place it into the tracts topic that it has created for you. Let's also add a tree stand by using the new stand tool. Digitize stand number 1 by clicking on a few locations in the map. Right-click to complete this area feature, and the program will automatically place it into the stands topic. Suppose you are a farmer instead of a forester. Then you would click the Settings tool icon, and change the project main topic to Farm, and the project subtopic to Crop. The new topic layers created will be named Farms and Crops. And the project tool icons will be renamed accordingly. In the Project Settings dialog, you can also specify your preferences for the pattern, color, label display, and classification for the project topic and subtopic. You may apply each group of settings to the current job, to all open jobs, or just to any newly created project topics. If you click on the Label the Tracts Stands icon, PC-GIS will automatically label all the tracts and stands in your map. After deleting a tract or stand, you will want to click the Renumber the Tracts Stands icon to renumber the features and keep the tract and stand numbers consecutive. The Create Island tool will establish an island relationship between an area and one or more smaller areas enclosed in it. For example, if you wish to know how much of the tract area is not occupied by this stand of trees, select the tract, and click on the Create Island icon. Then click on the stand area. Leave the Create Donut option unmarked, unless you really wish to remove the stand to make a donut shape. Click OK to complete this function. Now, click on the Measure Area icon. You will see the total area, as well as the net area, which is the tract area, minus the island area. With the tract area still selected, click on the Remove Island tool. Upon confirmation, the two areas will no longer be related. If you had chosen to create a donut while you were establishing the island relationship, then the island area will remain empty. You can easily split an area feature into two separate areas. For example, select the tract area and click on the split area icon. Digitize the division line like so, and right-click to finish. Now, select the section that will keep the original feature ID and attributes. The program will let you enter the new attributes for the other section. The Combine Area tool lets you select two or more areas to combine into a new area. You will be prompted to select the areas to combine and to enter the attributes for the new larger area. Let's close this map without saving it. Now, you will collect GPS data for your Field Session 2 exercise. Please download and print out the Field Session 2 task sheet. It's a good idea to prepare similar Field Session task sheets when you do your own projects in the future. Please take the task sheets along when you go outside to collect data. Your mission is to collect a natural and cultural resource inventory for the Central Park in your city. As a result, you will produce a map of Central Park, including park area, seating area, playground area, parking area, trees labeled by species, park benches, and picnic tables. This map will also show items that need to be repaired before the summer concert series begins.